Hello, this is Pavel. I hope you're doing great. In this video lesson, I will show you how to install all the necessary plugins. When you log into your newly created WordPress website, after you have installed the Education LMS theme, you will notice that there is a recommendation waiting for you. WordPress has a very simple and user-friendly interface, and most of the things that needs to be done just appear at the top of your dashboard. Let's go ahead and install all the recommended plugins. Let's click on the first plugin called Elementor. Elementor is the best free WordPress page builder, which helps you to create beautiful websites using a simple drag and drop interface. So, I've clicked on the plugin and now you can see a pop-up window with all the necessary information, right? And all you have to do is just to click the Install Now button and WordPress will do the rest of the job for you. Okay. Later in this course, I will show you very briefly how to create a web page using this plugin. But this course is not about Elementor. This is about how to create interactive distance courses using WordPress. So feel free and check out other courses on how to use the Elementor plugin. So we have now installed the Elementor plugin and I'm going to show you another way of installing plugins. To do this, just go to the plugins menu and choose Add New. Remember, we still need to install the LearnPress plugin so you can start creating your distance courses. Let's type LearnPress into the search window here and see what happens. WordPress searches for all matching plugins in the public directory, and you can now see that the plugin you're looking for is just waiting for you here. Click on the Install button and the system does the job for you. And the last plugin we're going to install is called One-Click Demo Import. This plugin will enable you to import demo data for your website, such as courses and all the necessary pages. I'm going to install this plugin from the dashboard page, alright? And remember to activate your installed plugins. And for this, you go to the plugins menu, choose all the plugins that needs to be activated or that you want to activate, and from the bulk action drop-down menu, choose activate. Okay. In the next video, I will quickly show you how to customize your theme. I hope you have enjoyed and benefited from my video. See you later. Bye.